I don't know, and still I have to, I have to be
To
careful
completely
with,
forget about it?
Yeah.
About 2 months.
I hope it's a little bit
I
sooner
did the
than
same.
that.
I did the same. So you paid to get hurt.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Bloody inflatables. Fucking hard work.
It would make me so nervous.
Pull both. So if you're pulling this, pull the bottom and the top and bottom and release the opposite. Just do the opposite. But when you're pulling, pull the bottom one as well. Okay, pull the bottom one.
Okay.
Pull the bottom one.
Yeah.
So one side pull both, other side release both. Yeah, fuck, his brain's not working, mate. For the dummies. Right. It's your left arm's got a problem. Okay? So look, pull bottom. So what you do, this one's fine, and then you do this one. This one's fine, and then you do this one. That's what you do. You forget to pull the bottom one on the left-hand side. So on the left-hand side.
My wrist on the left hand is not so powerful.
Yeah, but use your thumb. Use your thumb. Ah, yeah.
Is it? Okay.
It's not your wrist, it's your brain. You know, and being at one with the kites. You gotta think of the kites pulling you from here. The bar is just control, it's like the accelerator and decelerator, but to pull from here. But what happens when you're flying, you tend to think the kite's pulling from your hand, and you try to pull yourself up with the bar, and all you're doing is killing the kite. If you want to turn a little bit quicker, you pull the bar in while you're turning a little bit more, and it turns quicker. There you go. Keep walking backwards. Aggressive. On the power, turn hard. That's it, harder. Turn harder. Max. Turn. Pull the bar too much. Pull the bar too much. Yeah. All alone. I'm always alone. I'm in kitesurfing again by myself. Everybody here just fucking, they all do inflatables, and they just come watch me. So I'm gonna have fun with my 21 meter because I can. Ah! Come on, Rayala.